Doxing?
Doxing refers to the act of publicly revealing or publishing private information about an individual without their consent. This information can include personal details such as home addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, social security numbers, workplace details, and other sensitive data. The intent behind doxing can vary, but it often aims to harass, intimidate, or harm the targeted individual.
Characteristics of doxing include privacy invasion, exposing personal information that the individual intended to keep private. Harassment, often used as a form of online harassment or cyberbullying. Anonymity, typically targets individuals to expect a certain level of anonymity, such as online gamers, activists, or public figures. Sources, information can be gathered from public records, social media, data breaches, or other online sources. Doxing is considered illegal in many jurisdictions due to its potential to cause real-world harm and distress.